Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. I have put my glasses down there. Yay! I love it when that happens. I have a desire to continue making stripy scapes. Only I don't have all that much. I need Artist Loft white left. So I'm going to go light on it. Light on the white and heavy on the Anitas. And I'm going to use Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Put all my colors right in there that are left over from the other paintings. I hope they're not horrible. That little scrape dish can go in the bucket. That's more Anita's white metallic with pink in it. Maybe one more. I'm not following any rules right now. And I am going to use whatever else inspires me. And that is definitely the Hot Orchid that's been replaced by Pink Diamond. I wonder if that actually... Yes, I got it. I'm getting so good at that. I saw the lump go in, I pulled the lump out. Get off my tweezers now. Okay, it's not getting off my tweezers. I'll throw a little more. Anita's white metallic. Throw a little bit of that purple in there. And then this paint is a couple days old, but it's got so many of my favorite colors in it, I see no reason to waste it if I can use it. I did give it a little bit of a stir, and I'm afraid that it would, if I gave it too much of a stir, it would become some color that I wasn't actually fond of. So I didn't go too far, and this is the color I'm talking about. That's going in the bucket. So is that spatula. I am going to what? I am going to find some other colors. Like, that is the color shifting red from Folk Art. This is 24 karat gold from Decor Americana. And now, hoping that we have enough colors, back to the Anitas. And maybe a little more of that purple, because I'm almost out of that purple anyway. So I didn't use any blue in there. How strange. I do have Floetrol issues. I think I got a batch, and while I was, I got a batch, and while I was away it went to filaments, and so it plugs things up. I'm not sure what I'll do with the bottom of this yet. If I'm careful about how I put that back on there, I ought to be able to get some really nice stripes, as well as whatever that is out of there. I didn't go up over the top, but I have been taking my paint right off my edge catcher and using the residuals by scraping them up with a spatula. I want some of that paint at the bottom there to go back in. So I guess I'm just going to have a wild, wild sky. Because the paint will go wherever the major wave, the heaviest paint is. And I'm kind of liking that, so I'm going to save that and use it at the top. I think. Usually I use a spatula, but not this time. I will still use a spatula. And some more Anita's White Metallic. That was weird. I had to do it though. I was compelled. It's my excuse and I'm sticking with it. So let me grab some of that for over here. And some of these other beautiful colors, which will begin to make mud if I don't. Find usefulness for them. Let's let... Oh, I got paint on my tile. I got fronts. I like fronts. I like things, more than one thing happening at a time. I do want to grab this. Can I? Probably I can't. But it doesn't keep me from wanting to. I think that sky is tremendous. I'm loving it. I want all that paint though. I better be careful or I'm going to get it someplace I don't really want it. Let's grab a smaller spatula because they are much more manageable. I think I can still flow some of that paint down. Pretty sure there's enough of it. Let's see, I have an uncovered place. I don't want to go too much further up because I really like the way that looked to begin with. And I like everything on the bottom too. So I'm going to take whatever's left, trying to come off of there, get that edge catcher out. Then I'm going to just do what I usually do, or at least I have been recently, just to take all the paint I can get. This time I might consider using my Amsterdam Black. I'm going to use some bizarre colors just to lay a foundation on the bottom here. I might put a bead of Anita's White Metallic under the sky too. I don't have to be normal. Nobody told me I did. I do want to take some of those colors right now, put them on the bottom of the canvas. I probably will put some more colors in there. I just haven't exactly decided what they're going to be. I am going to grab the rest of whatever I can. Orange mud though it might be. It's more orange than mud actually, because there's the Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold with orange in it. I don't know that I need that much on the bottom. Whoop, that was all paint. Nice. Come here, all paint. Let me help you. Alright, so let me put that bead in that I said I was going to do. I really want to put a pink bead in there. I wonder what would happen if I put a little bit of pink in. I kind of like it. I could blow that down with a straw. I've been doing that. Nothing wrong with a pink sky. And white puffy clouds can even blend the sky down from above. Or in this case, up. Love those little 4 orange clouds. Those are pretty cute. All right, I am not seeing the need to do anything at the bottom here, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to take a little bit of black, no, I'm going to take a little bit of purple cell activator. Pick the only bottle that's plugged, didn't I? Got it. Don't need much. I need more than that though. It's made of dioxazine purple, that's a Hobby Lobby brand. I thought I escaped the frog in my throat, but it's back. I really do like that. Just use a little bit of it. I see a couple of gaps. It may not stay. Kind of like all of that. Can't believe I did most of it without any cell activator at all. Gonna try not to overdo it. Maybe I'll use the rest of it on the bottom and the edges. I want to show this to you guys. Must be just time to do that. There we go. It is what it is, and I love it. If there are any little gaps, I will find them and fill them. You have my word. There are a few. There's also a few things that don't belong. Grab that out of there. I had textured canvases earlier and I was using one of my palette knife, my new palette knife tools that I'm supposed to be making blooms with, but I haven't really done it very much yet, or at all. And now I have little paint scrapings. It's probably time to vacuum the studio. Undoubtedly. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to tell you guys I love you. I'm a little surprised that I'm keeping the bottom just as it is, but it's really okay with me now because I like it. Good colors. Alright, I love you guys. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. If you want to be a patron to the studio, find the PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And when you use it, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. And you can see the prizes for the drawing included at the beginning of the exhibition video that I have added to the end screen of all the recent videos in the last 20 seconds. My email address is under the link tree. The link tree is where you can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is a good place to shop pixels.com and Fine Art America. Also on the link tree. So that works. I will be torching. I wonder what will happen. Maybe I should do that now while we still have a few minutes. So if you like what I do and you'd like to see my channel survive, I really need you to watch longer. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much. I don't think I deserve the kind of treatment that I'm getting, to tell you the truth. But evidently I went from trending to not popular for whatever reason, and I can't quite figure it out because the people who love me, you know who you are. You still love me. Anyway, I am trying to survive, and you're helping. I really appreciate it, so thank you so much. That was fun. Those colors are fun. I'm liking everything about this. I love you guys. Look for my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe underneath, show more underneath the video. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me. If you're interested in purchasing an artwork, use my email address. Whoa, smoking paint. What a sky. I want to see that sky. I want to check for little naked spots. I want to not inhale fumes anymore. I love you guys. Oh, what did I not tell you? I have over 2,300 videos organized by topic and genre, and if you need a link, please ask me. If you'd like to look for them yourself, they're on playlists, and look under all playlists, created playlists, and you will hopefully find them. My community board has tomorrow's video, if I remember to put it up there. So does my Facebook group and my actual page. If you want to become a friend, please feel free to visit me there. I give art lessons, I give private lessons, one-on-one lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And shortly I will be 100%, and then I will be taking reservations at that point in time. And you can always inquire about details by using my email address. I do torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, and that helps everything keep from cracking. I want to say, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Hopefully that was in frame. It's not behaving. The square that should be in the middle is like tucked in the bottom right hand corner for me. Anyway, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Check out my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. That's on the Amazon link, and when you shop the Amazon link, you help me out. I'm still trying to afford art supplies, and it's harder every day. But you inspire the heck out of me, and I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for being here. I love you guys dearly. Hope to see you again. I post 7 days a week, or at least right now I do. And I'm thinking about taking a break, and I'm not sure when that's going to happen. But if it does, don't worry, I'll be back. Who said that, I wonder? Anyway, take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm sure I said that twice now. Gotta go. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Whenever you get a minute.